All right, welcome back to Hargett Street. We've had a ton of work going on the last few weeks. It'll look a lot different when we get inside. Come on, let's take a look. It's always nice, delivery day, so we just got all the trim delivered, the door slabs delivered. We've got drywall is done. It's been mudded and sanded. And then you can also see over here where we've kept the shiplap walls that we've talked about before. And we're gonna come in and start getting that finished up. You can also tell that we're still waiting on our windows to arrive. So we've got the old existing windows in place, but we're still waiting for the new ones to come in that'll match the new ones in the back. We've got the hardwood floor down, looking really good, matches perfectly with the old hardwood floor. And we'll come in and get that refinished here shortly. And restroom, we're going to be doing tile work here in the next few days. And then the dining room, we decided to add some sconces in the dining room, and we've got the shiplap wall, and we kept the shiplap ceiling. Bathroom, kitchen. Looking at this with the owner, we were just talking about this wall here being a nice art wall. And with basically the kitchen cabinets here, island here, we've got our electrical stubbed up for the island. We've got 3 pendant lights hanging above the island. It's gonna be really nice. And this hardwood floor just keeps going. Back here, we're gonna do something fun in the laundry room. We've got the old front door that we installed now as the new side door, door out to the porch. But here we're going to do a couple of barn doors, but we're going to use some old doors. We're probably going to go down to Habitat for Humanity and get us a couple of nice old doors similar to the old front door and put those on here for the laundry room. That would be pretty cool. In the master bedroom, hardwood floors throughout, and we'll be coming in. Next thing will be putting in some crown molding for the trim as we start to trim out the doors. We got our pocket door in, and then bathroom with our shower, toilet, sink, vanity will be here, and then in the walk-in closet, our other pocket door is here. And we had some leftover hardwood floor, and so we were able to give the owner an upgrade with some hardwood floor in the closet instead of switching to carpet, be the only carpet in the whole house. So we decided to go ahead and do that. It looks really nice. It's gonna look really good with everything else. Out on the back porch, we've been, as we've been working on the drywall on the inside, we got all of our new siding up. We're using a hardy panel siding with a texture, same exposure, so it's very similar to the old house. We've got the old house siding sanded down, so we're getting pretty close to being ready for the painter. We've got nice simple trim on the outside windows and doors, just a 1x4 kind of classic bungalow craftsman style. And then as you look up, you can see we've got, with the new roof, just makes a world of difference on how the house looks. Yeah, so here we are. So next week we'll be hitting some exterior painting, probably getting the floors finished, getting the trim done, and some painting, and hopefully our windows will show up. So they're supposed to ship today. We haven't gotten a confirmation on that yet, but we're optimistic. And once we get those windows in, we can really get this thing done in the next few weeks.